Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Box, Easy English with Julia and Tom, where we help you speak English more naturally and confidently. I'm Julia.
Hi, everyone. I'm Tom.
Tom, how was your presentation this morning?
It was good.
Nice. And what about the new marketing campaign?
It's good.
Good. How are the results so far?
They're good.
And how was your lunch?
Good.
And your weekend?
Good.
Okay, I think I know your favorite English word.
What? Let me guess. Good?
True. There's nothing wrong with saying good. Native speakers use it all the time, but sometimes good is just too general. If you use it for everything, people don't really know what you mean.
So instead of saying the presentation was good,
You could say the presentation was excellent,
or the results were impressive.
or the strategy was effective.
Okay, I get the message. Today, we'll learn better words for different situations so we can stop using the same word again and again.
That's right. You'll learn useful alternatives to good that can help you sound more natural, more precise, and most importantly, help you say exactly what you mean.
And before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through calm, natural conversations like this, please like this episode and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep creating more practical lessons for you.
We'll speak slowly, and to make this lesson more effective, we'll repeat each sentence several times so you can get familiar with it. You can shadow us or pause and practice any sentence you find useful. Remember, small steps repeated consistently can create a big impact.
You can practice by speaking out loud or even silently in your head, or just play this lesson again in the background while you're working.
The more you hear and use these phrases, the more natural they'll feel. And when you need them in a real conversation, you'll be able to use them without overthinking.
All right, no more good?
Well, you can still say good.
That's a relief.
Just don't use it for everything.
Fair enough. Let's get started.
Very good. Tom, how was the presentation?
It was excellent. The speaker explained everything very clearly.
Instead of simply saying good, you can say excellent when something is very good. It's especially useful when you want to give strong positive feedback. Try excellent, excellent, excellent.
Examples. The presentation was excellent. Your work is excellent. You did an excellent job.
Repeat after us. The presentation was excellent. Your work is excellent. You did an excellent job.
Julia, how did Sarah do on the project?
She did an outstanding job.
Outstanding means extremely good, something that really stands out. It's stronger than good and is often used for performance, work, or results. Try outstanding, outstanding, outstanding.
Examples. She did an outstanding job. The team delivered outstanding results. His performance was outstanding.
Repeat after us. She did an outstanding job. The team delivered outstanding results. His performance was outstanding.
Tom, what did you think of the new sales figures?
They're really impressive.
Impressive means something is good enough to make people admire it or notice it. So instead of saying the results are good, you can say the results are impressive. Try impressive, impressive, impressive.
Examples. The results are really impressive. That's an impressive achievement. Your presentation was very impressive.
Repeat after us. The results are really impressive. That's an impressive achievement. Your presentation was very impressive. Good because it works.
Julia, what do you think of this new training method?
I think it's very effective.
Effective is a great alternative to good when something works well and produces the result you want. For example, instead of saying, "This is a good way to save time," you can say, "This is an effective way to save time." Try effective, effective, effective.
Examples. This is an effective way to reduce costs. We need a more effective strategy. The new system is very effective.
Repeat after us. This is an effective way to reduce costs. We need a more effective strategy. The new system is very effective.
Tom, how did the product launch go?
It was very successful.
Successful means something achieved the result you wanted. So if a project, campaign, event, or business activity goes well, you can call it successful. Try successful, successful, successful.
Examples. The campaign was very successful. It was a successful project. The product launch was highly successful.
Repeat after us. The campaign was very successful. It was a successful project. The product launch was highly successful.
Julia, what do you think of our new plan?
I think it's a solid plan.
Solid is a very useful word in workplace English. It means good, reliable, and sensible. It's a natural way to give positive feedback without sounding too strong. Try, "That's a solid plan." That's a solid plan. That's a solid plan.
Examples. That's a solid plan. We have a solid strategy. She gave a solid presentation.
Repeat after us. That's a solid plan. We have a solid strategy. She gave a solid presentation.
Good and useful. Tom, what did you think of the feedback from our customers?
It was very valuable.
Valuable means useful or important because it can help you. It's especially common with words like feedback, information, advice, experience, and insights. Try valuable, valuable, valuable.
Examples. Thank you for your valuable feedback. She gave us some valuable advice. This experience was very valuable.
Repeat after us. Thank you for your valuable feedback. She gave us some valuable advice. This experience was very valuable.
Julia, have you seen the early results?
Yes, they look very promising.
Promising means something looks good now and is likely to become successful in the future. So it's perfect for talking about early results, new ideas, projects, or opportunities. Try promising, promising, promising.
Examples. The early results are promising. We have a promising new opportunity. The project looks very promising.
Repeat after us. The early results are promising. We have a promising new opportunity. The project looks very promising.
Natural and enthusiastic. Tom, what do you think of this idea?
That's a great idea.
Great is one of the easiest alternatives to good. It's very common, natural, and enthusiastic. You can use it in both everyday conversations and workplace situations. Try, that's great. That's great. That's great.
Examples. That's a great idea. You did a great job. We had a great meeting.
Repeat after us. That's a great idea. You did a great job. We had a great meeting.
Julia, how was your weekend?
It was fantastic.
Fantastic is stronger and more enthusiastic than good. Use it when you really want to show excitement or strong approval. Try fantastic, fantastic, fantastic.
Examples. You did a fantastic job. The presentation was fantastic. We had a fantastic time.
Repeat after us. You did a fantastic job. The presentation was fantastic. We had a fantastic time.
Great job. Now let's quickly review what we've learned.
If something is very good,
Excellent, outstanding, impressive,
if something works well or gets good results,
effective, successful, solid,
if something is useful or has potential,
valuable, promising,
and if you simply want to sound more positive and enthusiastic,
great, fantastic.
remember, you don't have to stop using good.
The goal is to have more choices. Instead of always saying, that's good, ask yourself, what kind of good is it? Is it effective? Is it impressive? Is it useful? Is it successful?
Choose the word that best describes what you really mean. Now it's your turn. This week, try to catch yourself whenever you say good. Then pause for a second and ask, is there a better word? Maybe it was excellent. Maybe it was effective. Maybe it was impressive.
Replay this lesson, shadow us, and practice the examples aloud. Listen, repeat, and use these words in your real conversations.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to English Box.
And remember, don't just say good, say exactly what you mean.
Thanks for learning with us.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.